Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a beautiful crochet lace pattern, and for this crochet project, I am using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is a rubber crochet hook, and I am using this 3-ply yarn, which is line brand yarn. So let's start our video. First of all, we are going to make a slip knot by wrapping the yarn around finger like this and then pulling this yarn like this. So I have made a slip knot. Now we are going to start our pattern. For this pattern, we are going to have 5 chains for stitches. So make 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 chains. So I have made these 5 chains for double crochet stitches, and we are going to make 6 more chains for chain loops, which will be made on this lace pattern. So chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So these are 6 chains, and now we are going to make double crochet. So skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 chains, and we are going to work into this 7th chain. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this 7th chain here, drop a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again, go into the next chain, drop a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet stitch with the same pattern into the next chain. Then a double crochet stitch into the next chain. Double crochet stitch into this last chain. So here is our first row pattern, is the same row repeat pattern. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern for the second row. So to make this chain loop again, we are going to make 6 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. Turn up the work, and we are going to make double crochet stitch in this very first double crochet stitch. Then double crochet into this second double crochet stitch, double crochet into the third double crochet stitch, double crochet into the fourth one, and double crochet into the fifth one. Repeat the same pattern. We are going to make 6 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. After these 6 chains, turn up the work again. Double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch. Double crochet into the second stitch. Then double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next one, and then double crochet into the last one. So this is our pattern. Again we are going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Turn up the work again and double crochet in these 5 double crochet stitches. So I will make few more rows and then you can see how pattern would look like after making a few more rows. So this is how the pattern is looking after making few more rows. So I hope you guys like this little beautiful pattern of lace with chain loops, and this is a beginner friendly pattern for absolute beginners. Everyone can make this easily. So if you like this video, then press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads of different crochet tutorial videos, and also ideas videos like slideshows which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids. You will find huge crochet tutorial ideas and crochet products ideas videos on this channel. So stay connected to get them all. Share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.